Kasalanan to ng mga nagre-repost ng mga mukbang ng madaling araw. So today's dinner, I have my buldak carbonara with egg, radish, ano to? Dumpling, chicken, and then, what is a mukbang without a fizzy drink? Dati, ang go-to fizzy drink ko is Milky's, yung melon, kasi lasa siyang melona. Pero, I saw how much sugar, wait lang kasi baka maaway na naman ako sa comments, how much sugar one can has. So, I switched to Right and Light. That's my drink of choice with so much ice. I'm not a fan of egg yolks. Tinatanggal ko talaga siya. Kala pag sunny side up, may iwan yung sun